Restoring rally legends. The man keeping Group B cars alive, Chris Tallman's passion for rallying began at age 11, witnessing the raw power of a Peugeot 205 T16 at the 1986 RAC Rally, one of the last events of the infamous Group B era. Now, decades later, his company, Tallman Engineering, has become a crucial lifeline for owners of these rare and increasingly sought-after rally cars. The resurgence of Group B, a unique trend, is emerging. Original road-going Group B homologation specials cars like the 205 T16, MG Metro 6R4, Ford RS200, and Lancia Delta S4 are appearing on the market for the first time. Many were purchased by wealthy enthusiasts in the 1980s, but now, as those collectors age or their estates are settled, these vehicles are changing hands. The problem of perishable parts, the cars themselves, present a challenge. Decades of storage have taken their toll, with many mechanical components deteriorating beyond usability. A new generation of owners, eager to experience these rally icons, often find themselves facing a critical question. Where do you even begin to restore them? Tallman's expertise fills this gap. From service park to restoration, specialist Tallman's career spans decades in motorsport. From working as a mechanic in World Rally Championship service parks to running his own racing team, this hands-on experience provides him with an unmatched understanding of these complex machines. He is uniquely positioned to navigate the intricacies of maintaining and repairing these historically significant vehicles. The legacy of Group B, the Group B era, 1980 to 1986, was defined by its exceptionally liberal regulations, resulting in some of the wildest and most dangerous rally cars ever built. The series was ultimately canceled due to safety concerns, as the car's performance far exceeded the protective measures in place for drivers and spectators. However, the legend of Group B and the cars born from it endures. Tallman Engineering's revival of these rally heroes ensures that future generations will experience the raw thrill of these legendary machines.